Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this video we learn about how to install Pluck CMS in Rocky Linux 9.5. Let's see what is mean by Pluck CMS. Pluck is a lightweight and user-friendly content management system, CMS, developed in PHP. It enables users to efficiently manage their own websites with a focus on simplicity and ease of use, making it an ideal solution for small websites. Pluck is licensed under the General Public License, GPL, ensuring that it remains fully open source. This licensing allows users the flexibility to utilize the software as they see fit, provided that it retains its open source status. First we need to check the OS version of our machine. The command to check the OS version is cat etc os release. Next we need to install the HTTPD service. The command to install HTTPD is dnf install HTTPD. It will take some time to install. After completed installing we need to start and enable the HTTPD service. The command to start the service is systemctl start and the service name. And the command to enable the service is systemctl enable and the service name. After we need to install Pluck CMS package from the internet. The command is wget and the URL of the package. Check the file is installed by using ls command. Next need to unzip the file. The command is unzip and then name of the file. Next need to install PHP package. The command is dnf install and then the package name. It will take some time to install. After completed the installing we need to start and enable the PHP FPM service. Next we need to create the directory inside the /var/www/html path. This is the default root path of HTTPD. And then need to copy the all file inside the Pluck CMS folder to the folder you are created. The command to copy the file is cp-r and the source file path and the destination path. And then go to the path to your created the directory. Using cd command. Next we need to change the ownership of the folder to the Apache. The command is chown-r and Apache and the directory name. After need to change the permission of the folder. The command is chmod-r and 775 and then the folder name. After need to disable the default config file. The path of the file is /etc/httpd/confd/welcome.conf. Inside the file change the following line. After need to create new config file inside the same directory. Using vim command. The file name should end with .conf. And add the following lines into the file. And then save the file. Set 740. And then need to restart the HTTPD service. The restart command is systemctl restart service name. And put your IP in the web browser. It will show the Pluck CMS installation page. Then start the installing the Pluck CMS. Set the title and the content of your first web page. These are all the steps to install Pluck CMS in Rocky Linux. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.